extrude.
Extrude
Mid plane and input, for example, 150 millimeters.
Yeah, 100 millimeters to extrude.
Okay.
So it looks like a pipe, right? Как труба.
Like a pipe. Okay.
Or I don't know, like a wire.
Next, I choose
Frontal plane.
plane and make следующий скетч. Next
sketch.
Next sketch.
Sketch. Exactly. So then you just finish like exit sketch. Frontal plane once again. Sketch.
And
polygon is polygon. You want to choose polygon? Sketch is a polygon. I think that's a good word.
I choose polygon. Next I put dimension. For example, 3 millimeters. Okay. And put dimension от линии до линии, как мне сказать?
From line to line.
From line to line. Okay.
So how many dimensions would you like to make? It's like 2, 3. So how much is it enough to make the full, to define this sketch?
How much?
You mean 2, 3? How do you find out like 3 is enough or like 6 is enough? How did you understand that you need only 2 to define this
polygon?
Sketch?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, if you choose the polygon, how do you understand that like this 3 millimeter dimension and the diameter or radius is enough, or you just should put like once, twice, and
I don't know.
so who knows? It looks like you are making the sketch. It looks like you should know, no? Or the program will tell you how much is enough. Я не быстро, ты мне просто...
Нормально.
Я иногда ускоряюсь, это автоматически. Мне говорят, ты по-русски медленнее.
Ну почему?